Listen, I'm feeling real cunty today, so let's fucking go. The problem with you is that you don't actually internalize the words that are being said here. When I say it is already done, it is already done. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to use any fucking techniques, although I suggest it because you are reminding yourself that it is already done. But what the fuck is the point of using these techniques if you are not understanding that it is already done now? A lot of the comments I get really reminds me of when I'm reading a book and I'm looking at the words, but I'm not actually internalizing and understanding what is being said deeply and thoroughly. It's the exact same thing that I feel when I tell you that it is already done, and y'all are just like, yeah, it's already done, but you're not actually understanding those words. So let's sit here right now and really chew on what that means. It is already done. Your manifestation, anything that you want, your SP, money in the bank, a smaller nose, whatever it is already in this current moment in time. Already, not tomorrow, not in a month, not in a year, not in divine timing. Already. It is done, and it's done right in this present moment. The exact moment where you are watching this video, your manifestation is done. I don't care how long it takes you to understand that fact, but it's really not that hard to sit there and really process the fact that what you want is done. How much longer is it gonna take for you to see that? You can affirm and saturate your subconscious mind. Whatever you wanna do, please do it. But nothing compares to knowing that it is done. Again, you don't have to believe. Like, I can learn in theory and know that the American Civil War started in 1861, but I don't have to believe in that. There's a difference. Know it as a fact, know it in theory. You don't need to believe it. You don't need to believe it. But you need to know that in this present moment right now, I don't give a fuck about the 3D, the 4D, the 5D, the 69D. It is here right now, right now. I don't care about the how. I don't care about anything. You don't need to use any fucking techniques. You don't need to do anything, but know that it is already done now. It's the same thing that I say when I say, how are you not getting the fact that the law is real? People are still commenting under my video saying, oh my God, you told me to come back in 3 days. I didn't believe that it was gonna happen, but it happened. I'm commenting and I manifested this concert that I was using sats for to get, and I got it in 3 days. My dad bought the ticket. Yeah, because the law is real. It's the same thing with knowing that it is already done. Hello? As real as this ring on my finger right now, see this? This is a real thing. It's here. It is already here in this present moment. Is as real as your manifestation being done. I don't know how else to say this. In what other language? Should I learn Spanish? I mean, I wanted to learn Spanish anyways. Like, my name is Margarita, like, come on now. And I needed to make a specific video just highlighting this fact because it is the most important thing out of everything of the law of assumption. It is whatever you think it is. And if you think that it is already done now and constantly keep reminding yourself, then it is already done, and it's going to fall into your lap as soon as you stop resisting the fact that it is already done. We overcomplicate this way too much. People don't understand the sentence, it is already done, so they use roundabout ways to manifest, and they go on YouTube and they try to really dig deep and understand whatever it is that they need to understand. But have you realized that the more that you dig deep down, the more that you need to dig deep down, the more research that you do is you needing to do even more research and even more research, because you are manifesting, trying to find more information. And so you manifest needing to get more information. As soon as you realize that it is already done, period, like, I can't make this more clearer because it's not about overthinking and over explaining or anything. It's literally just as simple as knowing that it is already done. Like 1 + 1 is 2, bitch. The sky is blue. That's it. We don't have to keep overcomplicating, reading all of these books and these YouTube videos and lectures and whatever, unless you're using it for inspiration. Like, I watch my videos, I have my top picks of law of assumption teachers and YouTubers because they hype me up, but I'm not doing it to dig deep down and try to understand how I should like realize this into fruition, how I should understand that it is already done. Should I do this and should I do that? No, throw all of it away. It is done right now. That's it. I don't care if this video is 1 second. I can literally just say it is done now and that's it. Please internalize that fact. Bye. Also, I love you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video.